Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Deanin It Yourself. Today's video, I got a simple video for you guys. My wife called me and my old Dyson vacuum, she said that the extension tube has a crack in it. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to replace this hose if you guys have a cracked hose. Alright guys, like I said, we're back here. Let me show you guys what's going on. Let's see if you can see this here. As you can see here, my Dyson vacuum has a crack. And this is the Dyson DC25. So if you guys have this model, and I'm pretty sure most of the models that have this extension hose, you can replace it in the same manner. If any of you guys know how expensive these vacuums are, you know, it pains me to have to replace one of these things, especially if you know that they last such a long time. Over the years, it has served us well. So instead of trying to go out and buy a new one, I'm going to go ahead and replace it. So if you guys need to replace your hose, you have a cracked hose, don't throw out your vacuum, have no fear. It's an easy fix, and I'll show you guys how to do it. The first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and remove the tube. So it's not attached to your vacuum anymore. And the first thing you want to do is go ahead and release this clip here and remove the one portion of your vacuum and set it aside. Now we have this, the top portion of the hose is removed, so we need to go ahead and remove the bottom portion. All right, now down at the base of the vacuum, you can see the hose goes down into here and there's a clip inside here. All you need to do is reach your finger in and depress the clip and pull it out. As you can see here, this is the clip with the tab that you need to press. Once you depress it, the hose should snap right out of place. Once you have the new hose, like you have here, I'm going to leave a link in the description to where you guys can find a replacement hose if you need one. So all you got to do is repeat the steps in reverse. You're going to line up the bottom of your hose. There's a groove on either side, and you're going to just slide it in until you hear the hose snap into place. And that's it. Once the hose is in, you're pretty much done. We can go back up and connect the top part of the hose, and we should be done. Now we're going to take the one portion and grab our hose. You can see here, and we're just going to slide it in till it snaps in. And that's it, guys. You can return your one, close up your vacuum, and put it all back together. All right, guys, that was a simple enough video. We got our hose replaced, and now my wife is happy. The vacuum is working just like it was before it was broken. If you guys found this helpful, please give me a thumbs up, like this video, and until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.